We used to have this very complex wellness program where it was point-based and hard for the employees to follow, difficult for us to manage, very complex.
And Hays came along and really helped us get a good, clear vision on where we're going to go and sort of empowered us to be able to manage it on our own.
From just helping you make good financial decisions to having great wellness resources, other great educational resources. Very straightforward, very simple, and it worked.
They're so proactive in coming to us that I don't feel like I have to go to them with a lot of questions because they already answer them even before I think about it. They're brokers that we use, but also a trustworthy partner as well.
They know our model, they know our products, they know our vision. They have our best interests at heart. They've gained our trust.
It's just gone very nicely. It's felt very natural, and we haven't regretted it at all.
Our employees are happy, we're happy. I think, you know what, that is definitely money well spent.